Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Obtuse triangle.
What does the dictionary say?
A triangle with one obtuse angle and two acute angles.
Math rap.
Not every triangle that's put into use is always right or acute. Some are obtuse. If you look at an obtuse triangle, what you'll find is it has one angle that is greater than 90.
Math rap.
Why could you name a tropical island obtuse? Because it's always greater than 90 degrees. Explain obtuse in your own words. Use regular objects around you and make an obtuse triangle on your desk. Draw 10 different obtuse triangles. Where in your everyday life do you see obtuse triangles? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!